We are
India's first case of monkeypox was reported yesterday in Kerala. A 35-year-old man from the Kollam district was diagnosed with the disease. He landed in Thiruvananthapuram airport from Dubai on 12th of July. 11 people who came in contact with him have been kept under observation in isolated conditions. The Union Health Ministry on Thursday rushed a high-level multidisciplinary team to Kerala to collaborate with the state health authorities in instituting public health measures. The ministry today released guidelines for the management of monkeypox disease, asking international passengers to avoid close contact with sick people, including those with skin lesions or genital lesions. As per the guidelines, contact with dead or live wild animals such as small mammals, including rats and squirrels, and non-human primates like monkeys and apes should be avoided. Eating or preparing meat from wild game or using products derived from wild animals from Africa should be avoided. The ministry asked to stay away from contaminated materials used by sick people in healthcare settings or that came into contact with infected animals. And now for the weather report.